Hey, what's going on, guys? So basically today we're just going to be jumping right in. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Obviously I've already opened the box, but I'm going to show you what's in the box, what comes with the Pypes Mid-Muffler True Dual exhaust system. Now this specific exhaust system is designed for all 05 to 2010 V6 Mustangs. I'm actually pretty sure, I might not be 100% correct on this, but I'm pretty sure you can actually buy this if you have a GT as well. And basically what this comes with in this box right here, it comes with a completely it basically comes with a Pypes X pipe that works completely with your factory cats. It's a catted X pipe. We're going to show you that in a second. And in this box there's basically all the hardware, the Pypes M80 mufflers, 2 of them, and your tips. You can get it in either polished tips or black tips, I believe. I actually have the black tips for this system, and then it has all the different piping. So basically I'm just going to jump right into it. We're going to take that box apart right now, and then I'll show you what's in there later. What's in that box? That's the only thing in the box. There's no hardware or anything. But over here, basically the entire rest of the system is in here. So I'm going to be going through this box more in depth. Right here is the actual mid-mufflers. I'm going to be laying this entire system out. These are the M80 mufflers. Let me just unwrap this real quick so we can get a better view. Alright, so in my hand here is basically one of the M80 mufflers out of the 2 that this system comes with. And if we look through, it's basically, you know, like I said, it's just a straight through mid-muffler design. I'm going to be laying it out in a second, but what I really like, something that I really wanted to just mention real quick, is that this entire kit is stainless steel, and it's basically 3-inch stainless steel piping, all mandrel bent. The welds are just fantastic. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up and an inside shot of this muffler, and then I'll just lay the entire system out for you. Alright, so here's basically the entire system just laid out. Obviously it's going to look like a little funky right now because it's just not in the car, but like I said, basically each fitting is all slip fit. I just left the wrapping on the mufflers because I don't really want to damage them or anything. The only problem that I do foresee is the fact that these pipes don't really match up. There might have to be some welding or fabrication involved. I'll definitely make sure to include that in the installation part of this video. But besides that, I mean, it's very simple. It's an entire catback exhaust. Now these pipes are obviously going to be deleting the factory axle back muffler design. Obviously if you have a V6, it's only going to be on one side, but on the GT it takes away both of those mufflers, and instead it replaces them with those high flow mid mufflers that are basically going to sit right kind of like in the middle of the drive shaft, right underneath you while you're driving. So I'm really interested to see how that affects the volume in the cabin while you're driving. I've had some people say that these mid-mufflers basically eliminate all drone, and I've had other people say that they've increased your drone. So honestly, I don't really know what to believe as of right now, but I'm definitely gonna, you know, have a very honest review of what I think about it once we get into that driving segment. But over here also, I took out, basically, we're not gonna be installing these today, but again, it's just another slip fit that goes onto the end. And these are the Pypes 4-inch black painted tips. I think they're going to look really nice once they're installed with the new bumper that I have. But for now, we're basically just going to be installing this exact, like what's here right now. We're basically just going to be installing in on the car. So another really quick thing I just want to show you guys before we get into the installation. So we have some of the hardware here from Pypes, but they also actually included 2 stock muffler hangers for the 05 to 2010 Mustangs, all Mustangs. And I mean, that's really cool of them, because basically whatever the case may be, you can have a V6 that only has 1, or you can have a Mustang that has them rusted out or something. But it's pretty cool that Pypes included that. So I'm around like halfway through the installation right now, and I just wanted to show you guys the stock exhaust that comes with my car. So you can see I basically just took a Sawzall and chopped it right after the factory cats right in right after the Y pipe, and then this part actually goes right over my back axle and goes into the factory axle back muffler. But yeah, this is pretty much garbage now, but I still just wanted to show you guys how it came stock. So once I'm done wrapping everything up with the install, I can show you guys how it looks afterwards. Alright guys, so I'm finally finished with the install. As you can see, everything's clamped up. Definitely, it took like a few hours. Actually, it took more than a few hours. It took longer than I expected. But yeah, everything that you read is not bolt-on. I mean, this kit was supposed to be a bolt-on. If someone out here watching this video is buying this kit or looking to buy this kit, just know that the clamps that clamp the X pipe to where your catalytic converters are smaller. That's a nice car. Nice coyote. But the two clamps that clamp your X pipe to the pipe coming from your stock catalytic converters, they're smaller than the rest of the clamps, so just keep that in mind. Also right here, you're using different clamps, and I believe one of the ones back there, but it was definitely a pain. Obviously you can see here we didn't actually use any hangers for this. You don't really need it. Probably going to be ordering that soon though. And also, I'm going to take you to the back because we didn't really finish the tips, but I'll show you what it looks like as of right now. Alright, so as of right now, this left side right here, we didn't really cut it too much, but it definitely fits pretty good. Obviously, I said before, we're not going to be putting the tips in, at least in this video. I might make a video about that and in the future. But this side was definitely giving us a lot of problems. As you can see, it's basically just straight flow through 3-inch pipe, which is pretty good. I turned it on to check for some leaks, and it definitely has a great sound. I'm very satisfied with the sound, but I mean, this fitment is just completely out of whack right now. It's just a little loose because the hanger's loose right there, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to revisit this. But like I said, I have an entirely new bumper I'm going to be putting on the back of this car. So once I do that, I'm definitely going to make sure the fitment's A1. Alright, what's up guys? So everything's installed. Like I said before, the fitment on the back is a little bit not correct. So there is a little bit of drone at lower RPMs, but I'm driving around and I'm really satisfied with the sound that this gives the car. Now this is a completely stock, like no motor mods or anything. Just 4-liter 3-valve V6, and I'm driving around town. It's got a great tone. I'm about to go on the highway just to get you guys some like highway clips, see if there's any real cabin noise. You know, roll up the windows or whatever. But yeah, so far I'm really satisfied with the install. Obviously it was a little bit of pain getting it in the car. It's definitely going to be challenging. Definitely you're going to need at least a few hours if it's just you or another guy. But once you have it in, it's very fun. It makes anything exhaust wise, I mean, I feel like makes your car a lot more funner. But it's definitely 10 times louder than stock. It's not loud though. It's not like really too loud. And one word of advice: if you have a V6 muscle car or like American car or any car, if you have a V6 car, don't try to make it sound like a V8 or anything else. Just because, I mean, just try to get something that complements your engine. I think this exhaust system definitely complements the engine a lot. And right now I'm driving around at 2,000 RPMs. I'm just cruising around, and it's very quiet, which is honestly something that I was looking for. Because once I kind of like downshift and really step on it, you can hear it, and it's got a great tone. But as I'm just cruising around the streets, like it's very quiet, which is something that I was, you know, I wanted in the system, you know. So I'm about to head on the highway right now, and then I'll basically just kind of cruise at like 60-70 miles per hour and show you guys how the cabin noise is. I honestly think it should be pretty good though. So far it's doing awesome. Alright, so we're getting on the highway right now. Just accelerating into traffic and it sounds great. I got the windows up. I'm in 4th gear right now. I'm going to put it in 5th. It's right at 70 miles per hour. It's at just under like 2,000 RPMs in 5th gear. And no drone whatsoever. Little to none cabin noise. I'm sure you guys can't really hear much right now. I'm sorry if the audio is kind of bad. I don't really have a great audio setup as of right now. But, I mean, yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned till the end. I'm going to be putting some exhaust clips, basically comparing how it was when it was completely stock to how it is now. There definitely is quite a difference. It's not this crazy radical change though, which I like. And yeah, I mean, I could just cruise around. There's basically no cabin noise whatsoever. That little rattle was just the louvers in the back there, which another word of advice, if you get louvers, don't try to cheap out. I didn't really cheap out, but they still like rattle a little bit once I get to like 80 miles per hour. So yeah, if you like this content, definitely be sure to share the video with your friends. Obviously like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. I'm going to be coming at you guys soon with a lot more car reviews. Obviously this wasn't really a review, but yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to be posting the sound clips at the end of this video right here. So